Okie dokie. In this problem, they ask, what is the correlation coefficient for the data set below? As you can tell, I'm on the computer because what we're going to do is use Excel. I'm going to show you how to use Excel to find the correlation coefficient. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to enter this information into Excel like so. So 8.7, 20.6, and all that mumbo jumbo into these two rows. So now it's very easy to find the correlation coefficient. We're going to use a function in Excel. That function is equals, type the equal sign and then correl, because correl returns the correlation coefficient between two data sets. You put parentheses, and we're doing array 1 and array 2. Notice it said two data sets, meaning array 1, we're going to highlight all of the x values. So click on 8.7, hold, drag across, highlight all those x values, and then type a comma, and then highlight all the y values for array 2. So click on 12.4, highlight all these, and then let go, and then close parentheses if you want. Hit enter, and we get about 0.936. And when looking at our answers, when looking at our answers, 0.936 would round up to about 0.94, and that's our answer. That's all there is to it. So let's go ahead and do one more example here. What is the correlation coefficient for this data? Let's change up our data and get cooking here. Whoopsies. Let's try that again. All right, 14.8, 17.7. Move these a little bit closer. All right. 20.7, 24, 26, 48.4. 2.5, 10.3, 13.3, 28.9. You get the idea. 43.6. All right. So naturally, since we've just changed these values, but we still had that function in place, it should have output our answer just like that. So the correlation coefficient, this function, should already have been in place to calculate our answer of 0.83. That's all there is to it. I'm going to leave it at that. If you have any questions on this one, please let me know. But hopefully, it's pretty easy, right? All right. But this is a little walkthrough in Excel. I would not recommend trying to calculate this by hand. Definitely use some sort of calculator to calculate the correlation coefficient. Alrighty.